While the PS5 Pro is still cloaked in rumors and leaks, the gaming community is waiting for formal confirmation from Sony. The possibility of hardware upgrades and performance improvements heralds a new era in console gaming. And if the rumors are true, the PS5 Pro might alter the gaming experience. In October, Sony threw a curveball into the gaming community by officially unveiling the PS5 Slim, a smaller-sized version that sparked both excitement and curiosity. Priced at $499 for the disc edition and $449 for the digital version, the PS5 Slim boasted a sleek form factor, but left enthusiasts wondering if there was more in store. Little did they know that the real surprise might be on the horizon. The much-rumored and highly anticipated PS5 Pro, expected to be a hardware refresh similar to the role played by the PS4 Pro in the previous console generation, the PS5 Pro could be the next big evolution in Sony's console lineup. The gaming community is buzzing with speculations about the PS5 Pro's potential hardware specifications. According to a post on Reset Era, the console is expected to house an AMD Gen 2 CPU with a dynamic frequency peaking at an impressive 4.4 GHz. The GPU, another crucial component, is rumored to feature a Radeon custom RDNA 3 architecture with a target frequency of 2 GHz, delivering a formidable 1429 T-flops of computing power. Memory specifications suggest a 16 GB DDR6 configuration with a 576 GBs bandwidth, ensuring swift and efficient data processing. One notable addition to the Red hardware lineup is the XDNA 2 NPU, an updated architecture by AMD with a strong emphasis on artificial intelligence. This addition is expected to enable stable upscaled 4K output at frame rates higher than the current standard of 30 FPS, providing a smoother and more immersive gaming experience. While Sony has yet to confirm these details officially, the leaks point to a September 2024 reveal. A few months ahead of the speculated launch, the timeline aligns with earlier leaks and rumors circulating in the gaming community. Tom Henderson from Insider Gaming adds credibility to the speculations, stating that Sony anticipates the full specs to be leaked this month, having already distributed developer kits to third-party studios. If these leaks hold true, the gaming world can expect a groundbreaking announcement in the near future. One of the most exciting aspects of the PS5 Pro is its ambitious performance targets. The console aims to deliver improved and consistent FPS at an impressive 4K resolution. Rumors also suggest the introduction of a new performance mode, catering to an even more immersive 8K resolution. Additionally, accelerated ray tracing capabilities are expected, further enhancing the visual fidelity and realism of in-game environments. These performance enhancements position the PS5 Pro as a true powerhouse, ready to meet the demand of the ever-evolving gaming landscape. As gaming technology advances, the PS5 Pro aims to provide a gaming experience that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of enthusiasts. The question of whether the PlayStation 5 Pro will be a desirable console in the current market remains open. However, with its development confirmed and a targeted release date in November 2024, anticipation is building. The upcoming release of GTA 6 in 2025 adds another layer of excitement, as the upgrades on the PS5 Pro are expected to be noteworthy, following the successful trend set by the PS4 Pro.
As the gaming industry continues to push the boundaries of what is possible,
the potential impact of the PS5 Pro on the market is substantial.
Enthusiasts and casual gamers alike are eagerly awaiting official details from Sony,
hoping for a console that not only meets their expectations, but sets a new standard for console gaming. Sony is not the only player in the field with plans for an updated console. A leaked document during the FTC versus Microsoft legal battle over the Activision Blizzard acquisition hinted at potential hardware refresh plans for the Xbox Series X. The document also suggested that Microsoft might be eyeing a 10th generation Xbox console by the 2029 calendar year. The dynamics in the console gaming space are evolving rapidly, and the next few years promise exciting developments. Both Sony and Microsoft seem poised to push the boundaries of gaming technology, ensuring a healthy competition that benefits gamers worldwide. The potential release of upgraded consoles from both major players suggests that the console wars are far from over. While the PS5 Pro remains shrouded in speculation and leaks, the gaming community is on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting official confirmation from Sony. The potential hardware upgrades and performance enhancements, if they live up to the rumors, could signal a new era in console gaming. As we navigate through these leaks and speculations, the console gaming space is poised for a significant evolution, making the next few years a captivating time for enthusiasts.